In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete your Elementor account. Whether you've found another page builder that suits you better, or you just don't need the service anymore, we'll walk through the process step by step. If you're ready to say goodbye to Elementor, make sure to follow along closely so you don't miss a thing. First things first, you'll want to visit the Elementor website. Use your preferred web browser to navigate to elementor.com. Once there, you'll need to log into your account, so click on the Login button located at the top right corner of the home page. If you've logged in previously, this process will be familiar to you. Enter your email address and password associated with your Elementor account. After logging in, you should land on your account dashboard. This is your main hub, where you can manage various aspects of your Elementor experience. Look for the account settings, typically found by clicking your profile icon at the top of the page. This step is crucial as account settings are where you'll find the options to make changes to your account details. When you access your account settings, take a moment to review your subscription details, as this is also a great opportunity to ensure you're not charged unexpectedly after deletion. We'll head over to the subscription section of the dashboard. Once here, locate the Delete Account option. Deleting your account will result in the loss of access to all associated subscriptions and services. Elementor designed this step to make you pause and reconsider, just in case you're not quite ready to let go. When you're sure you want to proceed, click on the Delete Account button. A prompt will then appear, asking you to confirm your decision to delete the account. It's a standard security step to ensure that it's indeed you who wants to proceed with this action. Confirm your choice, and if necessary, re-enter your password to verify your identity. After this, follow any remaining prompts to complete the process. It's worth noting that account deletions are generally irreversible, so make sure that you've saved any important content or information you might need later. Elementor will usually send you an email confirming the deletion of your account. This email serves as your final verification that the process has been completed. Keep this for your records just in case you need to reference it later. If you happen to encounter any hiccups along the way, consider reaching out to Elementor's customer support to assist with your account deletion. They're pretty responsive and can guide you through any issues you might face. And there you have it, folks. That's how you delete your Elementor account. Hopefully, this guide has helped you navigate the process smoothly. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more walkthroughs of your favorite apps and online services.